Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study about parts of the body. Our body is made up of many parts or organs. Each part of the body helps us to work. So let's study about different parts of the body. In our body parts, we have 5 sense organs. Eyes that help us to see things around us. Nose, we smell things through our nose. Ears, we hear from our ears. Tongue, that helps us to taste different things. And skin, which help us to feel different type of textures. Head, your hair protects your head from being too cold or hot from different seasons. Teeth helps you to chew your food into smaller bites. Neck, besides wearing necklaces and spraying perfume, the neck has other functions as well. For instance, it supports the position of the head and enables us to turn from right to left. Shoulder, it makes the arm strong and helps them to move. Hands, we clap, paint, draw, write and hold things with our hands. Stomach helps us to store and digest all the food which we have eaten. Knee helps us to carry our maximum body weight and we are able to bend our legs with the help of the knee. Foot helps us to walk on uneven surfaces. Uneven surfaces means surfaces which are not smooth to walk. Leg, we can walk or run with our legs. There is a small rhythmic poem for all of you, dear children, to recite and learn. Let us now read it loudly. Hands on shoulders, hands on shoulders, hands on knees, hands behind you, if you please. Touch your shoulders, now your nose, now your hair, and now your toes. Hands up high as before. Now clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you will have fun reciting this poem. Once you have learnt it, don't forget to mail it to your class teacher, dear children. As you all know, dear children, that revision of any topic is very important. So, you need to revise all the parts of the body which we have done today. Thank you. Good morning, dear children. Today, we are going to do our EVS work for the first time. For that, you already have an interleaf notebook with you. Interleaf notebook is one side plain and one side 4-line. Okay? Every time when you do your EVS work, you are going to do it in this notebook only. Please open a new page in your notebook. After opening a new page in your notebook, dear children, you are going to write the date over here. Then, in the first line, you will write the topic, My Body and Body Care. Underline it with a pencil and a ruler. In the second line, write the instruction, Parts of the Body. Make 2 dots and a hyphen. Underline it with a pencil and a ruler. Divide the page into 2. Write number 1 in the margin and write the first part of the body, which is head. Write number 2 in the second line and write the next part, face. Like this, you are going to copy down all the body parts till number 12. Once you have copied all the body parts, children, you will draw the finishing line with a pencil and a ruler. Remember, children, when you are writing the body parts, you will write it with a small letter. You will not write it with a capital letter. On the plain side, you are going to draw a picture of yourself. If you are a girl, you will draw the picture of a girl. And if you are a boy, you are going to draw the picture of a boy. Once your work is done, tell your mother to check all the spellings properly, sign it, and mail it to the class teacher. I hope you will have fun doing your EVS work. Thank you.